This is an 06 F150. I switched out the lights and changed them to LEDs. And now my blinkers blink like crazy. So the best solution that I found is swapping out your relay for this thing, this relay. If I can zoom in here. It's called the Novita EP27. And all you gotta do is swap this thing out for your existing relay. And the existing relay is right under here. It's actually like clipped in there somewhere. You have to find it. You just take this clip out. Let's see if we can do this. Come out. There we go. Remove this one right here. Put in the Novita. Make sure all of these line up in the correct direction. This way. There we go. I'll plug that in later. But swap that out. Get this thing started again. And now, beautiful. They work like they need to. Hope that helps someone.